Alright guys, so here we are. All this is coming out. Only thing that we're reinstalling right here is going to be one little circle around this flagpole. He wants to keep that. That brick wall and pillar is coming out. You can see there it was bricked after the fact, so it's not actually connected to the house, so we'll just have to be careful, but that's all got to come out. All right here is going to have to get graded. We're going to have to take some dirt out there, some of the old rock. We got old landscape lighting here, that's got to go. All these shrubs right here are going bye-bye. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 right there. That brick wall is going. You got lava rock up here, and we got Alabama sunset back here. So 2 different kinds of rock. Over here we got mulch. You got a holly, some spireas, some yews, more spireas over here, and then we got some stumps back there by this other wall that look like they were from an arborvitae or something like that. So that wall is going too, so we got a lot of work to do. First thing we're going to do is get these shrubs out of here, and then we'll probably start working on these brick walls. But first priority, shrubs. Over that way, go up too. Just trying to open this side up so I can get in here and cut if I need to. So all the shrubs are gone, and we just got the first wall down. That was pretty stressful, I'm not gonna lie, because it butted up to the house. It was an afterthought. What I'm guessing is they had extra brick, and they didn't want to waste it or didn't want to get rid of it, so they built these walls. But it was just butted up against the house, nothing tying it in, but it was stressful busting those off of there. And there's power that was running through there, running to the lights that were on the pillars, those right there. But that is disconnected, or has been disconnected. Got the breaker off, we know for sure all those are off, so we'll have to put some wire nuts on it for now, and the homeowner knows they are responsible for doing something with that. So that is not our line of work, but pretty stressful knocking these guys down, being butted up to the house like this. If something will go wrong, it's on my butt. So just being real careful. But I was careful whenever I took this job to do a little research and make sure that's not connected to the house. But you can see here it's already cracked off, but still, if I would push this, if I would, you know, we're using the excavator, of course, we're not doing this by hand, but if I would push this any way towards the house, it could do a little damage. And I'm going to use this right here to document something that I see right now. I see it crack. Goes down here. Where does it go from there? It goes over here, down again, over here. Actually goes through this brick right here. Comes down, goes over, and it actually goes right towards where this is. Goes right there. So that is well documented. This wall is cracked pretty bad, and the wall is still fully standing. I haven't touched it yet. The only thing we did was take that end cap off. So kind of stressful here, but it is what it is. We'll be fine. We'll get this taken care of and get over to the third wall. So what I'm doing here to try to protect myself every way I can, so this is the wall, goes to the house over here and then comes this way. So I'm taking it and I'm pulling it out that way as I go. So I'm just kind of coming in and taking chunks. I'm starting right there, and I'll just peel my way, kind of work my way in, so whenever I get down here there's not much left. And whenever I did that first wall over there, this wall actually loosened up while I was tearing down the end pillar. So that was pretty nice. So hopefully this one does this same thing. This one's a lot bigger, so I doubt it will. But we'll keep this camera on, and you guys can be along for the ride. that wasn't too bad at all. Hopefully the third one comes down just as easy, but the whole wall, same way, kind of came loose on me, so right away. So fairly easy, really. Just got to clean all this stuff up now, so should be fun. But without this machine, oh god, you'd be out here for a while trying to tear this thing down. I'm gonna save the rest of this for the MT. That way we can come across this sidewalk and pick this thing up, but I am not coming across the sidewalk with that. So got this little back section here that's not broken off. Push that over with the MT and get her all cleaned up. So I'm gonna go knock this third wall down. And just like that, the third wall is down. You do not know how relieved I am to have those on the ground. So we gotta pick up that, pick up that, and pick up that, and then clean those up and then wipe this bed out, and we will be ready to start installing again. Super excited for that moment. Like I said, very excited to have these walls on the ground. That was stressful. Didn't know exactly how that was gonna go, but super smooth. The 331 here did an excellent job. Not a bad view here either. Pretty good day here. It's a Friday on the lake, not too totally hot, and doing a fun job. That's what it's all about, guys. Alright, I'm gonna start cleaning up here and I'll catch up with you guys whenever some material gets here. So we've got the edging coming in, we got some weed barrier, some mortar, some plants, some lights, all kinds of goodies. So like I said, I'll catch up with you guys when some of that gets here.
I learned long ago. Watching your back, You know what I mean? Learned long ago. Not if you don't.
All right, guys, we're back on site here, day 3. We did not bring the camera day 2. We had a quick day, but we've gotten a lot done since the last time that we turned the camera on. So let me catch you up to date here. We've got weed barrier down, plants in, the lights are done. The only thing pretty much left to do is finish this rock and put in the edging. So like I said, I'll walk you through exactly what we did. So we were right here last time the camera was on, and we scooped all this rock out of here with the MT and got that down to where it needed to be. And then we had to cut this down a little bit too over here, not much. And then we started running our lights. So we got a path light there, an up light right there that's going to be going up on that corner, another path light there, path light there, and there's one over here. Number 5 is right there. And then we've got our second uplight right here going on this corner. We've got one on this corner right down there, and then we've got one on the far corner as well. So like I said, 4 uplights, 5 path lights. We got some daylilies right there. There's 3 of them, 3 more right here. Those are purple. It's not going to focus. We got some baby gem boxwoods right over here, 3 of them. And then right here, we got 4 Russian sage. Little spire, Russian sage. Not going to focus on this card. Right there, we got a Korean lilac tree. Over here, boxwood, hydrangea, 2 boxwoods. That'll eventually make like a little hedge. Hydrangea, boxwood, and 3 grasses over there to hide the air conditioner. Those will get about 4 foot tall. Right here is our edging. It's natural stone, it's limestone edging. Ranges anywhere from 2 foot. This part right here, this piece right here is over 2 foot probably. But anywhere from 2 foot down to just a few inches. So those will go along here, and of course we'll mortar those in. Quickcrete right here. So that's pretty much where we're at. And then we've got the brain for the lights, or the transformers, in the garage. So got that thing out of the way, and then right here is going to be another bed. It's going to have the same style edging with some rock, and we're going to reuse these daylilies right here. So we've got to seed this area, seed the area down there where we took the tree out, and then we'll have to seed over here in front of this bed where we cut it back. So that's pretty much where we're at. they going? Gotta measure it out. Grab that tape. Yeah. 25. 6. Huh? 5. 5 of these. Well, I guess there's only gonna be 3 gaps. Yeah. We're gonna start right on the edge. So it'll be 8. Alright, ladies and gents, per usual, it got dark on us before we were able to wrap that job up, so unfortunately we didn't get to run the camera as much as we would have liked finishing it up, but I did take some after pictures here. I had to go back and mainly just get these pictures, tie up a little bit of lighting in the garage, so I was able to get these pictures, but that is basically how it went down and what we did. It was a lot of work, required a lot of machines, 6 or 7 loads went out. 5 or 6 loads came in, so it was a lot of work. I know some people are going to say down in the comments, oh, you overcharged. There's probably going to be a lot of people that say I undercharged. I think we were pretty much right on the money here. If I could make this money every day, which is the goal, but if I could make this money every day, that would be what I would do. I appreciate you guys watching. If you enjoyed this video, let me know down in the comments, and I'm going to go ahead and leave it with these after pictures. Again, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.